We are excited to share a recap of the successful 7-week online internship program that TIIKM conducted in collaboration with the Catholic Filipino Academy, CFA, of the Philippines. This program provided valuable international experience to 5 talented students from CFA, giving them the chance to engage closely with TIIKM's International Relations Division. Over this immersive 7-week journey, the interns not only completed their required credits and hours, but also gained hands-on exposure to the inner workings of an international organization. They worked alongside professionals, dove into international cooperation, and explored various aspects of global partnerships and relations. Throughout their time at TIIKM, the interns developed crucial skills in personal development, building confidence and professional growth, technical skills, gaining hands-on experience in international relations, international cooperation, learning to work in a global context and communicate across cultures, legal aspects of partnerships, gaining insights into the legal frameworks of international collaborations, writing skills, enhancing their ability to communicate professionally with global leaders and organizations. This internship wasn't just about learning. It was about growing, both personally and professionally, while being part of a team that values leadership, action, and global engagement. Join our internship program now. Created for dreamers, designed for doers, built for leaders.
Good day. My name is Rosé David, and I am currently a grade 12 learner from Catholic Filipino Academy Homeschool, currently interning at TIIKM. I chose to join TIIKM's internship program because of the many opportunities it offers in order for us to learn, to grow, and to gain hands-on experience in both academic and professional settings. One key skill or knowledge that I gained during my time in TIIKM was organizing information more efficiently in terms of project handling like posters and database creation. One of my favorite projects when I was in TIIKM was creating PowerPoints about TIIKM's international conferences because it helped me see more clearly about how academic conferences were held behind the scenes. This internship has helped me more with my career because of its career insights and also because it helped me grow professionally and more organized, and also making me feel more independent working by myself or with a team. Yes, I would absolutely recommend TIIKM as part of other students' internship programs because of its amazing supportive working environment, and also because of many opportunities it has to give you in terms of researching and academic works.
Hi everyone! I'm Naomi Sachi Paglinawan, and I've just completed my journey as an internal relations intern here at TIIKM. If I had to describe this experience in one word, it would be resilient. It wasn't always easy, but it was incredibly rewarding. Looking back, 3 moments really stand out to me. First, the database challenge. Building a global database was tough. Dealing with language barriers and hard to find info really tested my patience. Second, the time zone hustle. There were mornings I couldn't even cook breakfast because I had to be ready for sessions in a different time zone. It was literal wake-up call to the world of internal relations. But third, and most importantly, the people. Whether it was struggling through marketing materials or dividing into website coding, which was surprisingly fun, having the guidance of my supervisor and the marketing head and my fellow interns made the hard work feel like a win. Through this, I discovered a strength I never knew I had, a relentless eagerness to learn. I found myself using every spare second to sharpen my technical skills. I also faced my weaknesses head-on, being forced to speak English since Tagalog wasn't an option greatly boosted my communication confidence. I also learned that going it alone isn't always the best way. I realized that asking the right questions is the key to getting the right answers. If you're a student looking for an internship that actually prepares you for the global stage, choose TIIKM. You'll learn time management, technical skills, and how to work across borders. I want to say a huge thank you to my school, CFA, for this opportunity, and to my parents for supporting me through those late night, early morning shifts. To my IR team and supervisors, thank you for the mentorship that made this unforgettable. I'm leaving TIIKM with a better version of myself. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Sean De Vera, and I had the opportunity to intern at TIIKM as an international relations officer. During my time here, my main responsibility was creating and organizing different databases of different universities that could potentially collaborate with TIIKM. This involved researching institutions, verifying information, and structuring the data in a way that would be useful for future references and strategic decisions. One of the key skills I developed was research and data management. I learned how to evaluate universities based on specific criteria and ensure that all information was accurate and well structured. I also improved my attention to detail because maintaining a clean and organized database is crucial for decision making. In addition to that, I had the opportunity to learn basic HTML during my time. I was exposed to how websites are structured and how simple code can be used to format and present information properly. This gave me a better understanding of how digital platforms work behind the scenes, and it sparked my interest in web development and technical skills beyond just data management. Initially, one challenge was making sure the database was not just complete, but also strategic and easy to use for future reference. I had to think beyond just collecting information and focus on organizing it in a way that adds value. And with feedback from my supervisors, I refined my approach and became more analytical in structuring data. And also, learning HTML was also challenging at first because it was new to me, but through practice and guidance, I gradually became more comfortable understanding tags, formatting, and web page structure. That experience taught me to adapt quickly and be open to learning new skills. This internship gave me a real world exposure to how companies build partnerships and make strategic decisions. It helped me become more disciplined, responsible, and detail oriented. I now have a better understanding of how structured data and research contribute to long term business growth. Overall, it strengthened my confidence and prepared me for future professional opportunities. Absolutely, it's a great place to gain practical experience, develop real skills, and work with supportive professionals. And I'm very grateful for the opportunity and everything I've learned during my time here. My internship at TIIKM has been a truly valuable learning experience, and I'm very grateful for the trust, guidance, and opportunities I was given. And I look forward to applying these skills in my future career. I would also like to sincerely thank everyone on the team, especially Ms. Delesha and Ms. Lasuni, for their continued support and mentorship.
Hello everyone, my name is Sofia Portem, and I had the wonderful opportunity of working as an intern for TIIKM. During my internship, I took part in classes with wonderful guest teachers and applied my learnings through practical work such as making blogs, posters, letters, sorting data, and work coordination. One of the skills I developed during my internship is team coordination. Majority of the work I did in TIIKM was with one or two of my fellow interns. As a person that often prefers to work alone, I found this to be a good opportunity where I could practice communication skills, especially in an online setting where difficulties are different from a face-to-face environment. I also managed to practice work etiquette, managing my time along with others, and actively seeking constructive criticism to improve my work. A challenge that I faced during my internship is cultural difference and time management. Although it was not a major hurdle, I had to manage differences in cultures and the events that we celebrate. I learned that some countries do not celebrate certain holidays, and I have to adjust events with my family in order to fulfill my work commitments. Time management is especially crucial here in order to balance my work and family life. This experience prepared me for my future because I learned skills in the digital environment along with professional skills. Because I became an intern here at TIIKM, I was able to apply, practice, and learn more about research, corporate etiquette, and how to use technical tools in Excel and basic programming. With my learning through this internship, I am now equipped with improved skills and knowledge applicable in both the workplace and in my daily academic life. I would recommend this company to fellow students because I especially loved interacting and learning from educators of different cultural backgrounds. I believe that knowledge is best when shared from people who have lived through diverse experiences, as it gives me lessons that I would not often get in my usual environment. This is what I find the best about TIIKM: its diversity and ability to be open to so many cultures and different people.